Hi, my name is Pong Malasri. I'm Dean of Engineering at CBU. I also run our packaging program. One of our activity that we do during the summers, we try to promote packaging to high school students. Most high school students never thought about packaging as their career.
My name is Frederick Collier, and I'm a program advisor for Project STAND at George Washington Carver. We have a program in the summertime that's partnered with Memphis Employ, and what we try to do, we try to get the kids exposed to as many things as possible, especially in regards to getting certifications. We have a lot of kids that growing up in the inner city. A lot of them been exposed to violence. A lot of them been involved with the juvenile justice system. Again, our focus is really to reduce recidivism through exposure and mentoring and hope and drive and discipline.
So what do they learn in here? The first thing they learn about distribution hazard. We also show them the standard pre-shipment test, the drop test, vibration test. We do incline impact test, and then we do compression test. These are the basic tests that we do on the commercial testing on the regular basis. And then they have fun along the way. They see the actual testing, they learn about equipment, and very few schools that have equipment like this, because there are roughly maybe about 15 some high schools around the country that offer some sort of packaging program. So that's the whole idea of the workshop. So hopefully that they learn something about packaging and they say this is a good career, something that they might want to consider.